Today, I'm doing the most beautiful thing and most viral thing on YouTube, an unboxing video.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Welcome to the channel, Ducati Dads. My name is Jacob. I've been excited because this is my first very own helmet, and I have only just borrowed a helmet or just used an old used helmet. I honestly forgot what it looks like. Oh, okay. What is this? Who cares? Anyway. Anywho. I don't know, what is this? Oh boy. Ugh. Get out of here with it. I'll check that later. Who cares? Ugh. Isn't this the color of Bumblebee? Ooh, remember Transformers? That was a good movie. Ooh, look at that. Has an S on it. It's pretty cool. Shiny. As well as the ventilation thingy bobs here. Anyway. Has some in the back, it looks like. In the front, and oh, just on the top. Wait. I don't know. It's small. What is in here? That's not very nice. I'm supposed to put it in a box. Oh, well, I guess I needed that out of the way. Who cares? Anyway. What's this? Okay, trash. Trash is so annoying. Packs it up, don't you think? Blah, 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 blah. Who cares? Out of my way. Stupid instructions. Who follows instructions anyway? It's not very nice. Oh, ooh, mesh here. Ooh, and there's like weird thingamabob in the front. Air Guardian. Air Guard. Air Guard 1, 2? I don't even care. I don't know. Anyway. What is this? I don't know. Let's see if it'll open. Ooh, that was not good. Just open. Jeez. Okay, there you go. If I use it. Feels decently tight.
I am your father.
Anyway. Yep, seems pretty tight. Seems like a tight fit. Oh, and I think this thingamabob here is on the bottom is called a chin guardian, something like that. And then this is for airflow thingies. Airflow catches something. And then I have exhaust in the back because, you know, for brain farts. There you go. Whew. Oh, it's actually not too warm either. Nice and snug. It's warm, but not too warm. Kind of warm in here. Not in the helmet, though. Just to clarify. Anyway, continue taking this helmet off. Ugh. Anyway, Wick 2 linear fabric. Scorpion EXO-R320 I don't know. Dot approved. I don't see any dots. Anyway, always securely fasten chin strap when wearing helmet. Well, nadoy. That's how you save your life. Ooh, they're like cool swishy thingamabobs on the side thingies. Not sure what that is. Still. Ooh! There's the exhaust for, you know, rain farts. Now if this will come back. Oh, yeah, don't do that. I could break it. Ugh. There's a warning label. Who cares?
Rubber juice.
Why keep us safe? Ding. It says back here, R320 absorb, something like that, 81. Why are the numbers so small? That's not very nice. I have to use my eye muscles for that one. Ooh, satisfying. Shiny. Get out of here. Jesus. Nice. Yep, fogproof. I think it might have a thingamabob for fogging. Alright, put this on again. Jesus. Cheese and crackers, man. Ooh, cheese and crackers does sound good. I'm kind of hungry now. Ah, hair on my face. How'd that happen? FDA approved. Use with caution. Ow. That's not a very nice helmet. Not getting off to a great start, buddy. Think you're cool, huh? We'll test that soon. Hopefully.
So Jacob, who had a lot of fun recording the unboxing, now has to pick up the mess from swiping everything off of the table.
As expected. You know?
I can actually do this with that.
It's a gel thingamabob. I don't like that. Why?
I'm gonna have to go through later and make sure he didn't miss anything important, like, I don't know, instructions.
Who needs instructions?
You should always follow the safety instructions.
Okay. Maybe. Alright. This is cool. It was awesome. And for more awesome content like this and awesome thingamabobs like these, tune in and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes out. Catch you on the next ride.